Today I'm going to show you how to use your MFC control box. Right now we have it hooked up to a Tylan controller. And you can see on the screen that we have an option for 4 different meters. Meter 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we can show the full scale of the meter. And you can set that dependent on if your full scale is 100 or 50. There's the current flow rate of the meter. The totalized flow rate you can turn on and it'll track what the total is for that batch a period of time. And then we have a set point. So at a full scale of 50, let's say we want to achieve a flow rate of 25. And you can hear that Tylan meter ramping up and you'll see the reading on the flow rate. So our set point is 25 and we're currently reading 24.89, 24.98, 25.01. So you can see that that's how you can control it. Put the set point back to 0, turns it off. If you need to purge or do a valve test, there is a valve test button here. And you can hear that meter singing. And we're going to turn it off. So this is how you can control up to 4 meters. If you need to change any of the settings, password is 2222. And you can change what your flow unit is for your 4 different types of meters and your frequency. So the standard cubic centimeters per minute, per second, per hour. And then we have different standard liters, cubic feet, cubic meters, so you can select whatever unit that you want. For the system info, you can change your time, backlight, things like that. This cal IO setting you don't really need to worry about too much, but this is just how we tell the control box what type of meter you have. We have a 5-volt input and 2 outputs for each meter. This is section for meter 1, meter 2, meter 3, meter 4. And then it also does data logging, so you can set the record interval. If you want it to be every 5 minutes to record, you can do every 1 minute, and then it'll take that data. You can adjust this beeping sound. You can turn it off. If you press set and you don't hear a beep, that means you turned it off, and then you can move about without having that beep, or you can turn it back on. 2222. You can also extract the data from the data log button down here, and you can see we already have some data here. And what you can do is you can take a USB, plug it into here, and then hit this to USB button, and then it'll export. And then when you are done exporting and you confirm that the data transfer was successful, then you can hit clear, and it clears the data so that way you don't run out of space. So if you ever need to upgrade the firmware on the control box, we can send you the software file, and then you just plug it into the USB here and it will show up with a prompt. And you're going to select the upgrade HMI data. And once that's complete, then you can extract the USB drive, and then you will need to go into the settings and set your 5-volt reference. So 5,000 DAC count. And then your outputs. Okay. We're going to hit save and back. Don't forget to set your full scale for the meters. And we should be good to go.